Hi everyone, it's Montana Rock Mom. Welcome to my rock hounding channel. I am with Drogon today, my 18-inch slab saw, and we are gonna tear up some rocks. We have some high quality stuff and we're gonna take a look and see what's inside and get Drogon the beast all fed up. So come along. So this is a piece of petrified wood that I found. Look at how it has multicolors and patterns in it. It's very agatized, some chalcedony running through there. Maybe some little patches of agate banding. So I'm going to cut it right across that front. Okay, I've got it lined up like so, because I think that that's going to give me a nice face. Sometimes I just like having one side of a rock cut and just polishing up that slab side and leaving the rest rough. All right, let's check it out. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Oh my goodness, is that beautiful. Let's get over here into the light. Gosh, that's a nice piece of petrified wood. Oh, that is really, really a nice piece of wood. And when I say wood, I mean rock hard agatized wood. Gorgeous. Okay, we gotta take a little peek under the microscope. Okay, this is something I almost walked over, but what caught my eye is there is a banding pattern right here. Now it's kind of faint, so you see maybe a little bit on this side. It's very light though, almost as if this is potentially just more of like a gray brown inside, but let's give it a cut. I'm gonna cut this side right here just so I can work my way through this mess going on right here and see what's in there. Fingers crossed that it's a good one. Oh, that's just looking yucky. Okay, maybe getting into a little bit better quality agate in there. So I'm gonna cut another slab. Take a look. What? Oh my. Wow, I'm so glad I kept cutting this. Look at that. Check that out. Boy, this has some great inclusions. This agate, it looks fairly clear, so you might be thinking, why do you want to cut that? Well, because the white chalcedony that's in there, like, I want to know what it is. It's killing me. Look at the shape of these bubbles. What is that? The way I have this set up on the saw, I really just want to peek in, and I'm cutting this for the sole purpose of learning what these inclusions are inside some of these agates I find. So truly educational purposes. Ooh, I got a very thin slice there. Oh my, look at that. I'm gonna have to take a closer look. And all that going on. Wow. Agates in Montana are really hard. Well, agate is a hard material in general, so this is something I use to sharpen my blade. I just let the blade contact this for like a few seconds, and then I'll see all new sparkles here, which is the diamonds. So let's sharpen Drogon's teeth. Drogon's at the dentist. Okay, this is a large piece of crazy lace agate that I'm going to cut across the face because I see lots of colors and lots of crazy banding. Perfectly, I believe, and it's probably going to take Drogon, I don't know, 15 minutes to eat it, so I'm going to go do laundry. All right, it's been 16 minutes, so let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at those colors. I knew this would be very colorful. Oh my goodness. Take a look at that. See if I can get in the better light here. Oh, that's just too bright right there. Crazy lace. That is a wonderful crazy lace specimen. What a beauty. Look how crazy this crazy lace is. So many bands of fortification and colors all mixed together. Boy, this is going to be a nice specimen polished up. I'm not going to touch any more of it because look at it. It's perfect. Look at this baby Bear Canyon. It's so cute. Yum, yum, yum. It's like a little appetizer. Oh, look at that. Pretty cool little Bear Canyon. I like these because they're so different. This is a very large Brazilian agate. Check that out. You see the banding in there? So red. Okay. I'm probably going to start off and make some slabs off this side. This little knob is like this. Okay, here I go. Gonna make a few cuts for this guy and see what we have inside. Alright, let's take a look. I see red. Oh, this looks so cool. Look at the colors. Oh. Red, orange, yellow, and the banding in there, and these inclusions. Oh boy. I tell ya, Drogon is eating well today. He's like, I don't know, tenderloin with caviar on it, whatever your choice is for your last meal. This guy's got it. Let's keep slabbing. All right, we're gonna keep going and get another beautiful slab out of this. All right. Another slab off this Brazilian with incredible banding. Look at those inclusions in there. Very large slab off of here. Check this out. Look at those pockets of agate, pockets of fortification banding, all the way around. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And this side has like a very large pocket. And I think I'm gonna keep the rest of this. Got quite a lot left on here, but I think I'm just gonna keep this as is right now. So this is an agate that I found in New Mexico. And it's going to be a really nice specimen with this front cut off. Just going to take the top right off of there. Oh yeah. Look how that yellow and black and white contrast each other, stand out. Absolutely perfect to polish. Okay, agatized coral, perhaps. All right, see what we get. Okay. Look at that. That is unexpected. Those pockets of agate in there. How cool. I love it. Oh, Drogon ate so well today. What do you guys think? Fantastic rock cuts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to make another one. We'll see you soon. Rock on.